Cricket Wireless offers three main ways to pay your bill: online, through autopay, and in store. Paying online is available 24/7 via the Cricket Wireless website or app. Simply log in, select Make a Payment, enter your payment details, and confirm. AutoPay provides worry-free automatic monthly payments, integrating seamlessly with digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Set it up in the app by choosing your payment method and frequency. For those preferring in-person transactions, visit a Cricket store or authorized retailer. You'll need your ID, and you can pay with a card, cash, or digital wallet. Contactless payments are now standard, and some stores offer QR code payments for faster service. Note that in-store payments may incur a small surcharge of $1 to $2. Cricket Wireless operates on a prepaid model, so payments are due monthly with a 14-day grace period. Autopay is the best way to avoid service interruptions. Security is a top priority. Cricket uses PCI-compliant encryption and requires two-factor authentication for online setups. Looking ahead, Cricket is embracing digital wallet integration, AI-powered payment assistance, and sustainable practices such as paperless receipts. By 2027, expect blockchain-based micropayments. These advancements aim to make paying your Cricket Wireless bill as convenient, secure, and environmentally friendly as possible.